Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the new snapshot not working. So if you've loaded up the latest snapshot of Minecraft and for the 1.20 update and you open the smithing table and it hasn't changed at all, that is because you haven't included the data packs when you created the world. So the way to do that is, I'm just going to save and quit the title really quick here. You go into single player and you go create new world, and you go to more over here, and then you got to click on data packs. So you click data packs, and then you have to swipe these two available data packs into the selected data packs, and then you click done, and you go proceed, and then you just hit create new world. I've already created a new world with the data packs enabled, so I'm just going to log on and show that once the data packs are loaded, it should work, and you should be able to get access to all of the new armor trims, and of course the bamboo blocks and whatnot. So now when I open the smithing table, it will have the new updated smithing table. Anyway, that's how you fix the armor trims not working when you open a snapshot in Minecraft. I think the update is 24 something W. Just a second. The new update is 23W05A, and yeah, that's how you get the armor trims. Anyway, have a nice day and goodbye.